Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a couple locks for you for Stock Lock Sunday. This one's a little Chicago. Um, little wafer lock. There's a key for it. Cute little sucker. It's key retaining and all. Let's see about getting in this. First I got to try to hold it. That's the hard part, getting a hold of it. Okay. I'm going to start at the top here. And I got a click there, it felt like. I slipped off of that. Oh, that's all I felt there. Oops. Didn't feel anything there. Oh, got it. I guess I did. All right. So we got that one. This one's a Taylor. It used to be black, I think, looking at it. It's a different type. It's more like a pin tumbler, There's the keys. Let's try this bad boy. See if we can get this. Oops. Shoot. I don't feel nothing moving yet. There. Got to click on that one. Click there. Oh, that gave me a false set. There it is. And we got it. Yeah, fun little locks, I'll tell you. Lots of fun. Let's lock it back up. And key works just fine. So, yeah. That's what I got for Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.